Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'm transforming beef liver into a delicious Sudanese Kebda. The liver is cooked in a fragrant base of sauteed onions and tomatoes, garlic, ginger and tomato paste, balanced in bold spices. Find the ingredients down in the description and join me as I show you how to make this delicious Sudanese style liver. I heat some oil and add the onions. Once they start browning, I add the tomatoes and saute them for a minute or two. I add about a quarter cup of water and cook this for 3 minutes or until the tomatoes soften. I add ginger, garlic and tomato paste, stir to combine and cook it for 5 more minutes. I now add the liver followed by the spices and vegeta. I'm using garam masala, turmeric powder, garlic powder and paprika. All the quantities can be found in the description box below, so please check it out. I stir to combine and add black pepper to taste. I let this simmer on low for 2 to 3 minutes to absorb the flavors and ensure that every bite is rich, aromatic and soft without overcooking the liver. Overcooked liver tends to get tough. Though this is a Sudanese liver recipe, the spice combination is not typically found in Sudanese and South Sudanese cuisine. I adjust salt to taste and let it cook for a minute, then I turn the heat off. The aroma in the kitchen is so good and it tastes delicious. Our liver stew is now ready to serve. Please support my channel by liking, commenting and sharing this video. And if you try this recipe, please let us know how you go in the comments below. Thanks for watching and bye for now.